Today we shall see how we can get a loan from Airtel Money without any collateral. So that is what we are going to do in this video. Welcome back to DavTech YouTube channel. As you've heard that today is when I'm going to show you how you can borrow money from Airtel Money without any collateral. So without further ado, let's dive into our first step on how we can get a loan from Airtel Money. Right, now you go to your phone and dial *165# or you just dial *185. Still the same. With Airtel you can use *165# or you use *185#. Now let's go to our phone and dial *165# or *185#. If it has given you the options, these options that you're seeing on my screen, now we shall select option number 8. This is for only people who are in Uganda, but of course I'm not saying these loans are only given in only Uganda, but of course if you have Airtel in your country, then you must be having these loan options in your country. But of course for today I'm specifically talking about Ugandans and maybe others also. So if you're not from Uganda and of course you're using Airtel, just go to your Airtel and dial the option that you dial to access your mobile money options. Then now from there you look for the loan services. But of course for Uganda we shall look for option number 8. Now option number 8 talks about loans. Now click and select option number 8 and say, now after selecting that, it is going to give you, right now as I'm speaking, there are 8 options, and option 1 is wewole, then option 2 is quick loans, then option 3 is kwasa, then option 4 is ATE, then option 5 is KCL, then option 5 is kwata esim, then option 7 is yasako loans, then option 8 which is GM Green. So today we shall talk about the best way you can get a loan from Airtel without any collateral. But of course what you must know is what I'm going to tell you in the end of this video as we go to the steps on how you can get a loan. We shall take option 1, which is the best option that I'm talking about in today's video, because with option 1 you borrow money and deposit it into your Airtel Money. Now when you deposit into your Airtel Money, then there you can, of course, you know what to do with it. You either pay other loans, you either withdraw it and use it in the way that you need, or for developing your business. Now these videos that I'm talking about how you can get loans, I'm just showing you the ways that you can use and get loans from these mobile money services and start your business or develop your business. Since I say that, we shall go with option 1, which is wewole. So let's click on option 1, which is wewole, and click send. From here also they have the options whereby you must first accept the terms and conditions before you start getting loans from all these loan services on mobile money, because when you don't accept the terms and conditions, that means you're not ready to get any loan. So if you have not yet accepted any terms and conditions in these loans, please accept it. Even if you have money 24 hours, we don't know what tomorrow will come, you may need a loan, and where will you run? You can run to these networks and get a loan. Let's accept the terms and conditions. But of course for me, I've already accepted the terms and conditions. So now we have option 1, which is get a loan, then option 2 repay my loan, then option 3 check my loan balance, option 4 is about wewole, then option 5 is view terms and conditions. Now there are 2 things that I will need you to check from here. Check on the terms and conditions and about the loans before you proceed, or if you have just accepted these terms and conditions today after watching this video, so go and read about these loans and also check the terms and conditions so that you can know whether you can borrow money from them or you cannot go on and borrow money from Airtel loan services. Which I'm talking about today is wewole. In the next video I'm going to come and rap about all these other loan services in Airtel, because in the previous videos I've been talking about MTN. Now if you want to get a loan from MTN and don't know how to get a loan, please check on this video that I'm talking about how you can get a loan from MTN mobile money. Now before we go further, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please click on the subscription button of this YouTube channel that you're watching, like this video, also comment, then also help and share this video to others also. Let them learn how to borrow money on Airtel and also MTN. All these videos you can find them in this YouTube channel that you're watching. Now, if you accept the terms and conditions, you can go and try get a loan, because here I'm not seeing where it says check the loan limit. So if you go to get a loan, that is where they are going to show you how much you have, or you don't yet qualify for any loan, or you qualify for any loan at the moment. So if you don't qualify for any loan, then you cannot borrow. But of course, if you qualify, then they are going to show you. Now, the way these people show you the loan limit that you have is by just clicking get a loan. Now, when you click on get a loan, which is option 1, that is what you are going with. Now, of course, as you're seeing in my account, I already have a loan on Airtel Mobile Money, that is wewole loan service. I have a loan of 118,870 that I'm soon to pay. So that is by evidence showing you that you can really get a loan from these people. But of course, me, I have already gotten a loan. Now, if for example I didn't have a loan, I would be having maybe amount that I'm eligible to get here. But of course, if you don't have a loan limit, or if you don't have a loan already, then they may be giving you how much you're supposed to get. Now you continue by clicking what they are going to show you in the screen. But for me here, they are showing me about repaying my loan. So that is what they are showing me, guys. Now you've seen how you can get a loan from Airtel, and also if you don't know how to get a loan from MTN, check on the videos in this YouTube channel that I talked about how you can get a loan from MTN Mobile Money. Guys, I think that's where we are ending in today's video. If you get a loan from these loan services, both MTN, Airtel, and any loan service provider that I've talked about, please, I advise you to pay your loans in time or at exactly the due date, so that your account will not be affected by not giving you a loan next time or by reducing your loan. Now, you're going to get more or higher amount of loan when you pay your loan in time. Now, if you keep paying very fast before the due date or exactly on the due date, then your money will be increased every time you pay a loan. Now guys, do that to get this money, and let's develop with the loan services. Guys, we found any value in this video, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, liking this video, and also subscribing in case you've not subscribed. But if you have already subscribed to this YouTube channel, I want to thank you for subscribing. Please, let's keep in touch for more ways to get rich with a DavTech YouTube channel. We meet in the next coming video.